Yeah, please don't sue us. We don't have money.
Just edit that out.
Ooh, oh my god. What's up? Ew, why is my hair so ugly? Hold on.
Are some of these words that happen?
Okay, hey guys, what's up? Our teacher is gone. I'm just looking at pictures of like Hawkeyes.
You already know.
It's like fine.
I mean, yeah.
Okay.
We're vlogging.
We are.
Who else?
KJ Appa.
See,
You don't like KJ Appa?
no, he's like overrated.
I thought you said my name, and I was like, wait,
No.
Dude, no. Okay, wait. Let me think of a. Okay, I'm like. We already
We already
looked
did
at
that. Already done.
He's like gone. We're just thinking. We're just looking up.
So stupid. How could we even have forgotten?
He's not really my type. He's actually not my type. Like I'm like. He's like hot, but like no. This is so boring. I'm sorry if you're watching this.
And since polio is the only vaccine that there's no exemption against, that means you
Who is she talking to?
She's literally possessed. Wait, that's like Hannah Baker. Like,
Oh, baby snap.
okay,
There's some reasons why.
we're looking up Hero FT because Aisha told us to.
Oh my god, ew.
He looks like a giraffe human. Wait, who is that? Wait, click a
I don't
picture.
even know.
Dude, he's.
Wait, he's like really hot.
No, he's
I
not
know
hot
he's
at
literally.
all.
Dude,
He looks like a.
they're like too famous.
Okay, wait, where'd you come from?
Wait, Ryan is literally crooked. Like, can you not? Can you see? This is literally our vlog squad.
Yeah, because we make money off.
I'm just kidding. David Dobrik, don't sue us. Scrub squad.
Okay, that's like my phone.
Okay, we get it. Okay, can you not?
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
I literally just a cell phone. Hey guys, we're back.
We're really boring. I'm sorry, but like we literally have nothing
Okay,
to do.
what is this? Okay.
Like our teacher left, so it's like all boring. No one's doing anything because they're all bad
Do you want to see a
students.
tour of our classroom?
Yeah, let's give them a tour. Come on.
Okay.
All right, guys. So basically, here's the stuff. The fire blanket. We have this guy. I don't know.
Look at his glasses. Like,
Yeah. So this is like okay. Hold on. Let me just flip him over and not kill him. Literally almost killed him. He's kind of cool. It's fine. I'm giving it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. That's boring. Bye. Fun fact. I actually hung these up with Anna. So.
go to the window. He's literally like passing.
Wow, did you change?
Should I literally record him? Should I record him?
No, we like a 6 suit.
Okay, I'll like go like a glimpse. Alright, this is a wheelchair. That's like other stuff.
Wait.
Okay, I don't even know what these things are called. Like, this is a bed. Like, make this go up and down. It's kind of cool. We have a sink. We get to use the feet. Dude, wait. Can we use the sink? I don't know. Does anyone know if the sink is usable?
Yeah, just press the bottom thing.
Have you ever done it before?
Done it. Yeah.
Whoa! Wait, that's kind of cool. I'm literally controlling this with my foot. This is a Shishi. She's just chilling. She can breathe. Yeah. She's a girl. We checked. Then we have this dummy. Yeah. Sorry. He's just dead.
Sorry, we're trying to like.
Okay, here's Kebab, I think, because we named Shishi Kebab. So this is Kebab. She's also a girl. That's the back of our school. Someone's writing that thing. A group of students right there. That's pretty cool. When babies come out, this is what they do. Did you just hear me?
I've just been sitting here watching you.
Pretty sure you know what a microwave looks like. Another sink, it's like normal. Then we have like other things and markers and yes, that's the classroom, guys. Love that for me. Juliana's literally laughing at me, but it's fine. Forgot that it doesn't zoom in, yeah. All right, so basically that's our classroom. It's kind of boring, but it's kind of fun. This is my desk. This is my desk, like fine.
Yeah, by
Because
sliding on
Visa
the
just
chair
like
together.
spun really quickly and then I just died.
Couldn't deal with it. Chairs have wheels.
Yeah, we're cool like that.
Notice.
If you didn't notice, it's just like... Can you guys literally stop being so annoying? Basically, this class has trouble walking, so every time we have to go somewhere, we literally just roll on our chairs. It's not healthy, but it's fine.
Even when we're like outside, she makes us walk. We literally just like sit on the chairs.
bring our chairs like outside.
Oh, that's who you're... Do you want to be in the vlog?
Yeah, can I be in the vlog?
Yeah.
No.
Wait, if you're in the vlog, then we won't get views.
Exactly. I'm 70. Yeah, we're actually like famous,
200
kind
in
of.
total.
200 views?
Well, if you round it.
By like 50 to 100, 150.
Should I
Why are you
change?
like avoiding me? Just let me be in the video. God, everyone wants to see
So
you.
annoying. T.
Can we
I think you should run the channel.
I think I should too. I agree.
I'm gonna edit all the vlogs.
Yeah, you're the editor. She's the main person who must.
Yeah, I'll pay you for it. It's my channel now.
It's not your channel. But I'm okay with you paying me.
Hurt my feelings.
Oh my god, sorry. Love your new hair today. It's a new hairstyle every single week.
Yo, your hair's like a new color every week.
Like, doesn't she look like a fairy? Like, low-key.
Yeah, she does. I know.
Okay. what if she died? Dude, yeah.
What are you doing, girl?
Oh wait, I remember what I wanted.
I'm like, okay, like, go off, I guess.
You guys are just mean. People are just bullying me, and I just want to announce that.
Literally, no one's bullying you.
If anyone's like a therapist, please.
Everyone, like, can we bully Ava?
No.
We're all gonna bully Ava. No! Okay, are you sure?
Oh, good. Go off.
She just flew.
All
Wait, can we fly? Yeah. Okay, everyone watch me if it's a fly.
Okay, guys, we have an announcement.
Okay, Pizza, stop it.
Luna and I are going to fly. What? So, ready?
Okay, wait, why are we cute?
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Set.
Oh my god, we
So overdramatic.
We literally
Plugging it in. Set. Comment.
What are you doing? Okay, anyways. Do you want me to push you guys? Oh my god, could you actually do that?
Oh, yeah, actually do that.
Wait, you have to pee.
Yeah.
Should we go pee?
Yeah.
Okay, I have to pee.
To anyone who wants to play Roblox with me and Juliana and Anna, hit us up.
I don't know my username, but it'll be in the bio.
It'll be in the description.
We're gonna pause for a minute, and this is so you can subscribe.
If you haven't already,
Yeah, go subscribe.
turn on those post notifications.
Yeah, and comment and like and subscribe and
Okay, can you turn your airdrop on?
dude, I put my thing down.
So what am I gonna do with these?
Dude, just send them to me. 2 minutes. Okay,
Yeah,
someone hold this while I literally.
I'll hold it. So we are packing up to leave. Foya's just woke up. He's always sleeping. I had to pack his charger for him because he was about to forget it. Juliana has to stay at school till like 9 today. What are you doing?
I have to watch the JV game.
Ew.
Then I have to be the ball girl for the varsity game. So,
And she has an injured leg.
Go back right now.
dude, we have 3 seconds.
Dude, oh my god, what am I gonna do? Wait,
Dude.
make a folder. Make like a.
So this is what we go through. This is what they go through because I don't edit anything. This is what they go through trying to get the vlogs through. It's a lot. No one cares that they just gave me a phone to vlog with. So now I'm just sort of vlogging by myself.
Like the first day we told you, you were like judging us.
Will there really be this in the video? I don't know. So now the bell's ringing and we have to part ways because Aisha goes to a different school than me.
Wait, what do you?
Look like I have a purple water fountain on my head. Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Sorry we haven't been that active. Like we're kind of stressed out with school because it's like it was like the end of the quarter.
Like want to be in our vlogs when we start making money.
I know, literally.
Like yeah, everyone's gonna be like, oh, I wish I was friends with them. We'll be like, Sai.
But
We literally just had this whole speech.
I like know people are judging me. Like I can feel it in my bones. That guy's laughing. That guy's laughing. Stop saying it out loud. All right, I'm gonna end the vlog soon because yeah. Be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below what you want to see us do. Oh my god, the lighting's kind of good.